Hello dear student, welcome to the DAV Mobile Public School Sitasangi. I am your computer teacher and this is standard 5th. And in this video we will going to discuss about the advanced features in OpenOffice Writer, and this is the part 4th. So let's start the further part of this lesson. So Miss Gallery says, so now we are left with the final task. And what's that? Everybody asking for us. Printing and sending invitations to all, replied Miss Gallery. So Miss Tapp says, why don't you ask Mr. Mail to help you out and call Mrs. Speller and Mr. Otto Spell also, so that they can finalize the design of invitation card before final printing. Miss Gallery rang everybody and asked them to come at her place. It's almost done. Let's have a cup of coffee. Meanwhile, they will also join us. Soon they reached Miss Gallery's home. Miss Straw showed the invitation card to them. The couple was happy to see the invite and thanked her. But they were really worried how they will make so many copies of these invitations. They were hardly left with any time. Mr. Mail assured them not to worry. Alice was looking at everybody inquisitively. Mrs. Mail then told them about Mail Merge feature of Writer. The Mail Merge feature is used to send mails to multiple addresses automatically by adding names and addresses from a database into the letter. So follow these steps to use a Mail Merge wizard. First, open a new document with the file New and Text document. Then start Mail Merge wizard using tools, then Mail Merge wizard option. The wizard options opens as shown below. You have to follow these steps. Step first, select the starting document options. Then the wizard gives various options to select your starting document. It is always better if you create a letter beforehand. In that case, you need to first select use the current document option, then click next to move to second step. So select starting document. Step second, select document type. The wizard can produce letters or emails messages. Select letters, click next to open insert address block. Step 3, insert address block. This is the most complex step in the wizard. In these steps you will do 3 things. Choose document type. First, select address list. In this example, we will be creating the address list of guests to whom we need to send the invitation by clicking select a different addresses list options. First, select addresses list dialog box open up. Click create to make a list of guests for wedding. And the second, a new address list dialog box open up with the default list of fields. Then click on customize to edit the list of fields. Then customize address list dialog box open up where we can add or delete the fields as per the requirement, and then press OK. Now fill the corresponding details in the fields and press OK. Now save the final address list and press OK. Edit address block. This is the second way. Okay, we can choose the default address block or edit it by clicking on more. Third, make sure that all the fields match correctly using the match field options. Click on the next to reach step 4. Step 4 is create a salutation such as Mr., Miss, etc. On step 5, adjust the layout. We will use the default setting for step 4 and 5 Click the next to proceed further. And then sixth step, edit the document. So we can edit the body of the original document in these steps. Click edit document to shrink the wizard to a small window so you can easily edit the letter. So minimize mail merge wizard. So the seventh step is writer creates all your letters one per recipient. If we need to personalize the document for individual, we can use these options. So Mr. Melmo says, Alice, now we have reached the final step. Lalai says, and what's that? Mr. Mel says, printing. Now the step 8. Save, print or send. This is the last and the final step. We will save all the documents and finally send it for printing to obtain the hard copy. We can also email them, saving the merged document. This image shows the printing the merged document. So finally we can get the printouts of the invitation cards for all the guests. Then Ali says, Mr. Mail, this definitely involves a lot of steps, but it's magical. You get as many copies of the letters with the proper addresses on it within no time. I will definitely try this wonderful option. Miss Gallery and her friends were happy that their planning for the wedding was over. Alice had just begun the mail merge process when she heard a loud sound, and suddenly she woke up. Her mom was calling her from the balcony. She could not believe it was a dream which helped her learn various features of OpenOffice Writer. She went inside her house and shared her adventurous journey with all her family members on the dinner table. So in this way, in this lesson, we will see how to use the mail merge for sending the invitation cards to so many different peoples. Okay, so in the next video we will going to discuss about the OpenOffice Impress. Okay, till then, have a good day. Thank you.